Good afternoon, everyone. How is everyone today? I hope you're doing wonderful. I'm in New York where it is uncharacteristically warm. It's like 60 degrees today. So we're having a great day. I hope everyone had a happy Valentine's Day yesterday. Happy Valentine's Day. So I've teamed up with a few other bloggers, and over the next 2 weeks, we're providing content with African, heart healthy African recipes in mind. It's our way as food bloggers to celebrate Black History Month. And we're doing it over different mediums. Some of us are doing Facebook Lives like me. Others are doing YouTube videos. So it's across different medium. And then at the end, I'm going to be posting a roundup with links so you could look up and find all your heart healthy African recipes. So today I'm taking you to the African country of Senegal. So Senegal is located in northwestern Africa, and it's definitely a country that I'd like to visit one day. It's definitely on my bucket list. They have a really interesting history, culture, cuisine. Believe it or not, there's a lot of Vietnamese influence in their cuisine. So I love that aspect of it. If you're just tuning in, hello, hi, give me a thumbs up, give me a shout out. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day today. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to make our black-eyed pea salad. So the key that really makes this dish Senegalese and what makes it so interesting is a Senegalese spice blend called Tankora. So Tankora is a spice blend that you could use on everything. And I'm telling you, once you make this spice blend, you're going to want to put it on everything. You're going to put it in your stews, in your rice dishes, in any kind of veggie dish. Sprinkle it on salads. It's really a yummy spice blend. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started. So how we get started is first we have some dry roasted peanuts. So it's 1 cup of unsalted dry roasted peanuts that I have here in my food processor. And I have a teaspoon of ground ginger, a teaspoon of ground white pepper, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder or cayenne pepper. So we're gonna go ahead, a little trusty food processor here, and we're going to just blend that all up. So who here has ever been to Senegal or is Senegalese? I would love to know. Give me a shout out. And that's it. Our Tankora, it's warm, I'm sorry. This is our Tankora spice blend, and it's all ground up here. So it's pretty much just like some spiced up ground peanuts. How simple is that? I'm going to empty it out. Okay, and now we're going to make our black-eyed pea salad. So here I have some black-eyed peas. You can use dried black-eyed peas if you like, so you just want to soak them overnight, then boil them with a few cloves of crushed garlic for some extra flavor. But if you don't have time and want to make it real fast and simple, you can also get some canned black-eyed peas. Black-eyed peas are really common in Africa. They're used a lot. Many different countries make fritters out of black-eyed peas. They're very soft and tender, have almost like a little sweetness to them. So they're not as earthy tasting as some other peas. So in Brazil, Africa, most of the Caribbean, we make fritters out of black-eyed peas, where they're either called, depending what country you're in, akras or akara. So one of those. In India, they also make fritters there called vada. Well, vada is basically any type of fritter in India. Lobia, I believe, is the word for it, or one of the words for it, depending what Indian state you're in, for black-eyed peas. In fact, I have a recipe for them on my blog, so you can definitely go ahead and check them out. Okay, we're going to go ahead and make our Tankora Senegalese black-eyed pea salad. So here I've got some grated carrots. And really, you can customize the salad and put whatever vegetables you want in it. Add some corn, grated kohlrabi would be great. I love kohlrabi. I don't know, zucchini, any kind of fresh vegetables. I'm not big on raw onions, but as I'm sure a lot of people would like some red onions in it, some sliced red onions, and that would be really good. So I added carrots, red bell pepper, and then we're gonna add some salt. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some salt here, and we're going to add some lime juice. So we're gonna mix that all together. Not exactly rocket science, pretty easy, right? So as I'm mixing it here. So now we're gonna add a half a cup of our Tankora. So, and if you want, you could taste it just to see how good it is. So yummy. And actually, you could also add the salt directly to the peanuts, and that's fine as well. Then you don't have to add salt to what you're making. So I'm going to add it. Oh, it's got some nice heat to it. That cayenne pepper and the white pepper really gives it a great flavor profile. So we're going to go ahead and mix it with our half cup of Tankora. Oh, and I just wanted to mention, just in case you're so interested in the African recipes, and I hope you're free tomorrow at 4 o'clock again, because I'm going to be doing one more to celebrate this whole heart healthy African series. So tomorrow I'm going to be doing an Egyptian recipe. So even if you can't catch me live at 4, definitely tune into the replay. I hope you can catch me. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to plate our black-eyed pea salad. How simple was that? So I have a little bowl here with my Tankora black-eyed pea salad. So here is the Tankora black-eyed pea salad. Let me give you a close-up version of it so you can see what it looks like. And there it is. I mean, it's super yummy. It's delicious. And it's definitely heart healthy. So it can complement any meal that you're having. Or if you just need an afternoon pick-me-up, this is a great protein-packed snack that's definitely yummy and delicious and quick and easy to go. Don't forget, guys, I'm going to be putting some amazing spice kits for you guys. And I want to really know what is that spice blend, what spice that you can't find anywhere in your area. You know, you'd really like to do something with have a cake on my blog, for example, that uses preserved rose. And you're like, where the heck am I going to get preserved rose? Or, you know, Persian barberries. I want to know what are those ingredients that's really, really difficult for you to find in your area. Kokum, Indian kokum maybe. You know, whatever it is that you're dying to try, please let me know. I really want to know what spice you're having trouble finding so I can include it in the spice kit. And here we go. I told you it was going to be a really quick and easy recipe. I'm just going to show one last image for anyone who's just joining me in. There's your Tankora black-eyed pea salad. Fresh, healthy, vibrant, but with just the right amount of heat. And it's loaded with protein. You've got the protein from the black-eyed peas, not to mention peanuts, which are high in protein as well. And you've got the healthy fats from the peanuts. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you're subscribed to my Facebook page so that you don't miss a single video. I want you to get all the reminders. So make sure you come by here and check. The link below in the description has the link to the exact recipe. So you don't have to worry about taking notes right now. Just go onto the website and get the recipe and enjoy the rest of your day. And don't forget, Friday's Chinese New Year, so make sure you wear some red or green and hat so that the next year can be filled with good luck. Have a great day.